So the subfloor's finished with the yellow tongue and the decking area exposed. Then we lay out our damp course. So we use normally 150mm damp course, and we cut it to size. We overlap all the corners, so just cut it 200mm longer each end, and then you can trim it to size as you go. When you get it into the corners, nail it down into your subfloor itself, making sure you have enough that will cover over the top of the yellow tongue to protect it from the weather and down the face of your subfloor frame. Cut the corners so you get a nice tight overlap. Then when you get into your corners, you overlap each sheet so you've got protection both ways, cutting your corners so they sit down flat to your subfloor frame also, and also go around the corner with the Alcor. That way you get a perfect seal from both ways. To get a nice crease so it's in tight to your yellow tongue, we use a block of timber that's about the same thickness of our yellow tongue, which is 18mm, and you can then bash it into the corner, which creases the Alcor really nice and tight, so your damp course fits in really square into your floor. So when you nail it down, nail it every 600 along your frame, and nail in all your corners also, and that way it holds it down nice and tight.